So this is a how to apply the CSS based on the screen size. So first step is understand the screen size. And so firstly, how to understand the screen size. So firstly, explain the what is the responsive design. The responsive design means adjust the layout. Means adjust the layout based on the screen size. So let's suppose this is a this is website. Okay. So I can check this website is responsive now. So this is a responsive website. Because why responsive website and how to responsive design? So the responsive design means adjust the layout based on the screen size. Like this is a large laptop display, and then small and add you see adjust the layout based on the screen size. Adjust the layout based on the screen size. So this is a responsive design. Okay, so this is a responsive design. So mobile, tablet, laptop, desktop, and mobile 320 pixels, tablets 768 and 1020 and 1020 280 phone, iPad, and a small laptop, big monitor. And the second step is a breakpoint, the magic numbers. A breakpoint is a screen width where design changes, like mobile, tablet, design, and default starting point, and medium screens, large screen. So when screen become a larger, design adapt automatically. And the third step is the mobile first approach recommendation. Because mobile approach, every user can be use the mobile approach, mobile layout. Because mobile layout is very important. Because in the market and in the world, mobile is a very popular. Okay, and every user use the mobile. Start with a mobile design first. Step 1 is a design for a mobile smallest. Card per row. Full width with padding. Button stacked vertically. And step 2 when greater than 640 pixel tablet. So this is a layout for a tablet. Okay. This is a layout for a tablet. Without layout, we cannot create the responsive design. And third step is a desktop. And desktop screen is very important because every industry and the high-tech industry, the industry use the desktop screen. Okay, what is the changes at each breakpoint? The for a card grid, screen, mobile, tablet, desktop, card 1, 2, 3, and desktop number 4. In the mobile, card and row 1, and in the tablet, card and row 2 and 3 make only. And desktop maximum 4. Width full, responsive, and fixed maximum. Padding small, medium, large. 12 pixel, 16 pixel, 12, 20 pixel. And 4 card size. So this is a overview. This is the overall approach how to create the responsive design based on the screen size. So this is the implementation. Like question first, how too many cards should show per row? So mobile first, tablet 2, 3, and desktop 4. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is a common responsive pattern for a card. Mobile first, tablet 2, tablet 4. Okay, so this is a way repeated. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you sir. Introduce my question. Okay, MODEL model.js. Career model. And model model so hi guys, first Okay. Database connecting successfully to previous suppliers. Okay. Brown. Black. Lolita. Require require information That was module dot net module dot module okay okay system will explain will explain will explain will diagram how to implement the battery system will explain first to the diagram. So this is our overview. Okay, your main aim. Complete bracket architecture. Complete backend architectures diagram. Step 2. Because we firstly develop the backend system, user, front-end, backend, and database. So in the web, in the web application, use the three parts. Divide the three parts like front-end, backend, and databases. And browser send the request server, and then after API check the data from the in the server, and after that provide the data for a backend system. Browser response process, MongoDB given the result, and after receive the response, for a user. So this is the overall overview and how to work the web application. So this is the overview how to work the application. Like process request, send the request back and handle the business logic. मतलब means what is a front end? The front end is a client side programming language. So that run the code. मतलब means the all front end code run the code on the browser. Okay, like example HTML, CSS, JavaScript only work for a browser screen browser, and so it is mainly used to create the user interface, create the user interface. And backend in the backend is a server side programming language that run the code on the server, like Python, Java, Django, Flask, and multiple backend languages use the and server-side programming language only handle the backend system. The database is only used for use the store the all data in the MongoDB and handle the after get the response for a back front-end system. So this is the overview. And a complete step two is a complete backend architecture diagram. Let's suppose this is my one application. So this is my front end part, this is my front end part, and this is my back end part. Okay, this is my front end part, and this is my back end part. Okay, so my question is how to create the backend system using the AI, because AI is a very important in the learning, because AI help to provide the information and provide the architectures based on your query and based on your query. Like I have given the command for AI, given the complete backend architecture and backend Node.js, Express.js, because Node.js is JavaScript environment. So it is used to create the server and Express.js handle the MVC architecture like the model view controller and they create the routes and the controllers handle the business logic and models create the schema. So this is an overview for a backend system and HTTP API calls and database car user orders review. Because my task is I only create the car suggestion for a user, because users can search the car and user can search the car based on the filtration like the fuel type model and multiple suggestions. So this is an overview and how to solve the question with a different